In mathematics, there's a set order of operations to use whenever working out any mathematical formulas or mathematical problems, or when you're working out any equations or anything. And that order of operations is the same throughout mathematics, and it can change the answer you get depending on whether you follow this order of operations or not. And this order of operations has got an acronym, or it's easy to remember by Bidmas. So that's BIDMAS. And the first one is brackets. So if you've got an equation or you're solving anything, you're working it out, you always do whatever's in the brackets first. And then I stands for indices. And indices are the powers and roots, like squared, cubed, or cubed root, squared root, that kind of thing. D is division. So say 5 divided by 4, dividing something. Multiplication. Addition. And subtractions. Okay, when it comes to divisions and multiplications, they kind of class as a group of their own. So it doesn't matter which order you do division or multiplications. Well, no, I say that's a bit wrong. They have the same precedence. So okay, and the same down here. These an addition and subtraction have the same precedence as each other. Now, say you've got something along the lines. I'm not going to work it out. I'm just going to put a random equation down just to show you the principle. Say you get 4 plus 6 over 2 times 2 times 4. Okay, so if we look at our Bidmas, the first thing we need to work out is brackets. So that's going to give us up here 10. So that's going to be 10 over 2. Now here, division and multiplication have the same precedence. So we go in chronological order from left to right. So we don't go 2 times 4. Although it wouldn't matter if you did that first. But generally you go from left to right. So here, because division and multiplication has got the same precedence, we work this out first. So that's going to be 5 times 2 times 4. Now these two times have the same precedence, so we work from left to right. So we do 5 times 2 first, which is going to give us 10, and 10 times 4 is going to equal 40. Now, say you've got the same thing occurs within brackets. So say you've got 4 plus 6 times 4. You work out everything in the brackets first in the same order as Bidmas. Once you think of what's in the brackets as a separate equation, so as soon as you get to brackets, you start again. Are there any other brackets in the brackets? And then you go into those first. But in this case, no. So we've got division, multiplication first in the brackets. So that's going to be 6 times 4, which is 24. Plus, so here we get 4 plus 24. It's going to give 28, so it's going to be 2 times 28 then, which gives 56. Okay, so whatever's in the brackets, you start Bidmas again. So you can sometimes get brackets within brackets within brackets, and you go to the innermost brackets first, and then you work out. But within those brackets, you still use the rest of the Bidmas. Hope you found this tutorial useful. Please like, subscribe, and comment.